Hello there, people. I've been asked to create a tutorial on how to do these. There are two of the scenes in the video that I created where I have multiple of myself on the same screen at the same time. So my goal for today is for me to teach you how to do this. Stick around for next week for this. Now, they are actually surprisingly different. For the first one, you're going to need a camera or phone or whatever recording device, a tripod, or somewhere to keep your recording device stable so it doesn't move at all, and yourself. You need to start off by placing your camera on your tripod. Then you do your acting. It's best to have some sort of timer or stopwatch so you can actually time out your parts, and so once it's finished, it's timed right and it sounds better. So once you're done with all your recording, you can bring it into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now that you're in Adobe Premiere Pro, take your clips from your project panel and put them in your timeline. Now you need to cut your clips at the beginning and end where you don't want it. You can do that by pressing C on the keyboard or clicking on it in the sidebar. To get back to your selection tool, just press V or click on it on the toolbar. Now that you've done that, you can layer them on top of each other to find how you want to line them up. You can do that by turning the top clip's opacity down to 50% so you can see both of them at the same time. After that, it's pretty simple. All that's left is the masking. To do the masking, go to your top clip, click on it, then go to opacity in your effects control panel, and there's the mask button. Then draw a mask around one of your people. If it doesn't work, then you can press invert to fix it. Now quickly go through the clip to see if your mask cuts out your actor. If so, you can press this keyframe button to create an animation for the mask. You can keep doing this for any time the mask blocks out your actor, but make sure to start the animation at the beginning. Now after this, you can see that it looks a little off. There's a square right there that doesn't really make it look real. That's pretty easy to fix. Just go to your mask that you made and turn up the feather until it looks right. But don't turn the feather up too much or it will fade out your actor. You can also fix that by just moving the mask outward, and you can shrink your display screen to do that better. And now you're done. Now you have a cool cloning effect. Now, make sure to stick around for next week, because about in a week I'm going to be putting out another video of another way to do the cloning technique using a green screen instead of masking. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe click that like button if you enjoyed. Leave down below in the comments what you used this technique for. Thank you, and goodbye.